Hi, my name is Natalie Berry, and welcome to my first set of book critiques. I'm excited to share with you some of the most distinguished contributions to American literature for children. The books that I have included in this first set are all award-winning books that can be used across many content areas and serve as great components to lesson plans. I would use these books with students in grades 3, 4, and 5. My featured text is the Newbery Honor book, Sarah Plain and Tall, by Patricia McLaughlin. This heartwarming chapter book tells the story of two siblings, Caleb and Anna, who lost their mother right after Caleb was born. Anna, who was a very young girl at the time, remembers how her mother and father used to sing together. After their father places an ad in the paper for a mail-order bride to come live with them, a woman named Sarah, who is from Maine, comes to the prairie one day. As the family adjusts, Sarah becomes a very important person in their lives. This book is a great book for fifth graders because of the complex themes underlining the text, as well as the sophisticated vocabulary. For my first lesson plan, I decided to focus on English language arts. As I said earlier, my text set is geared for students in grades 3 through 5. One of the standards for fifth grade writing is for students to be able to write narratives to develop real or imagined experiences. In this lesson, we will talk about how Sarah Plain and Tall is a narrative in which Anna tells what happens when Sarah comes to the prairie. Students will work on expressive writing by writing their own personal narratives about their first experience with a person who becomes an important figure in their life. As a way to integrate technology into this lesson, students will be able to post their narratives on a classroom blog that I created using edublogs.org. Here is an example of a post that I created for my students. As a way to collaborate, students are required to comment on two of their classmates' posts. For my second lesson plan, I will integrate Sarah Plain and Tall into a social studies lesson concentrated on geography. In this book, Sarah travels a long ways by train from Maine to Kansas. As a way for students to learn more about geographical landscapes in different regions, they will locate Kansas and Maine on a map and connect the two to show the possible routes Sarah might have taken. Students will then choose one of the states to research in terms of geographical characteristics of that state. This lesson is connected to the Ohio Social Studies standards for fifth grade. To integrate technology into this classroom, students will be using a tool called Poplet to show what information they gathered. Here's an example of a Poplet I made on the state of Michigan. Along with my featured text, I have also selected 7 other award-winning books ranging from 3rd to 5th grade. With a wide range of genres and literary styles, these books are sure to capture our young readers' attention. Bridge to Terabithia is a Newbery Award-winning book written by Katherine Paterson. In this realistic fiction novel, a boy named Jess and his best friend, Leslie, upon discovering an imaginary land called Terabithia, Jess and Leslie discover that they have found a way to escape the ugly and boring world of 5th grade. As the two friends become closer, they realize how much they can learn from one another and how they can lean on one another through the trials of growing up. The symbolism, imagery, and allegory make this a great book for students in grades 3 to 5. The Graveyard Book, written by Neil Gaiman, is another Newbery Award-winning book that will enthrall readers of all ages with its mysterious and suspenseful story plot. Written as a fantasy fiction book, the story takes us through the strange life of Nobody Owens, referred to by his friends as Bod. Being raised by ghosts in a graveyard since he was a toddler, Bod must tackle the dangers he encounters as he devises a plan to escape from the graveyard. This well-structured book contains many good themes for young readers, such as good versus evil, community, memory in the past, and compassion and forgiveness. Another great Newbery Award-winning book is Joyful Noise, Poems for Two Noises, by Paul Fleischman. This poetry book contains beautiful verses that describe the lives of many different insects. What makes this book so captivating is the illustrations that capture the reader's attention. Radiant Child is a biography written about an astounding artist in the 1980s known as Jean-Michel Basquiat. This book, written by Javaca Steptoe, received the Caldecott Medal in 2017. As this story recalls Jean-Michel's childhood, it reminds readers that it is never too early to start dreaming. Return to Sender, written by Julia Alvarez, received the Pura Belpré Author Award in 2010. In this realistic fiction novel, Alvarez tells the story of two friends, Tyler and Marie, and how their friendship developed despite their cultural differences. This story touches on the lives of families who serve as undocumented workers in the United States. This book is good for young readers because it highlights some of the most pressing social issues of our day. El Deafo by C.C. Bell is a graphic novel that tells the story of a girl who loses her hearing due to illness. The young girl, known as Cece, receives a hearing aid called the phonic ear and must endure the awkward and humiliating experiences that come with this new transition. Luckily, Cece finds a friend who makes the transition a bit more bearable. Finally, The Year of Billy Miller, a Newbery Honor book written by Kevin Hanks, is a realistic fiction novel. In this story, we dive into the life of Billy Miller, a boy with many worries who is just trying to make his way through second grade. One thing that makes Billy unique is the lump on his head from hitting his head during the summer. This heartwarming novel catches young readers as they are in the midst of growing up. Thank you for taking the time to explore my first book critique. I look forward to sharing my second set with you very soon.